Hi, here's part 2 of a short video series on the restoration of an Ajax milling machine, converting it to CNC hopefully. This is going to be a very short video because I haven't really done very much to it since the last one, but you'll see I've cleaned it up. All the bare metal parts have been given a good clean with a wire brush and a nice oiling, and the body of the machine has been painted with black, matte black stove paint, and then I've given it a little thin coat of wax oil as well, just to give it a sheen. The look that I'm kind of trying to get is that look that you get in old pictures of machine tools that you see in old catalogues. They're all monochrome images, and their machines are always black, and they also have this kind of slight sheen to them in the drawings, and I kind of like that look, so I was trying to capture that, and I think I've done not too badly, although it may or may not come out very well on the video. So just going round, you'll see the manufacturer's name and where it was made, and that's been picked out in red hammerite. So that's about it really so far. Still lots and lots to do in this machine, but at least I've got past that stage of having to strip all the paint off the main casting. Okay, well, I've just taken this a stage further before I leave this afternoon. I've basically cleaned up the brackets which support the ram, attach it to the body of the mill, and the ram itself. Now, the ram appears to be made of stainless steel because there wasn't a spot of rust on it. It's cleaned up beautifully, and I think it's going to look amazing against the black of the machine. So that's the update. This is quite a nice little piece of home engineering by a previous owner, and as I've said to you before, my contribution hopefully is that I'm going to make this into a CNC machine. Hopefully a nice handsome CNC machine too. See you later.